Whether you've been hauling loads for years or about to embark on your first family vacation with a new camper in tow, dragging a trailer behind you shouldn't be taken lightly. Hi, my name is Kiefer, and this is Quick Tips. To pull a trailer behind you, you need a whole new list of skills. Just the process of hitching and unhitching from a trailer requires a little know-how, and forgetting a little piece of this can compromise safety. We've put together a list that all haulers should think about before they hit the road. So let's dive into this and help you tow smoother and help you keep your coming adventures safe. The first tip is check your trailer tires. We all check our truck or tow vehicle's tires, or we have electronic systems that let us know when they are low. But a lot of people don't think to check their trailer tires that often. If you tow a trailer, this should be part of your pre-trip inspection. Not only the pressure, but take a peek at each tire and look for dry rot, cracking, and wear on your tread. In our last Quick Tips video, we talked about the different types of trailer tire wear and how to fix what is causing it. Another thing is to look in your tow vehicle's user manual. Sometimes your tow vehicle requires more pressure in your tires when hauling a trailer. Make sure your tow vehicle's maintenance is up to date. This is our next tip. We all know that your maintenance, oil changes, transmission fluid, and other things, if it's not up to date, you can cause some serious damage to your truck. While towing a trailer or camper, this adds a ton more stress to your tow vehicle, making it that much more important to service your truck when it's needed, or your SUV. Be sure that your truck has recently had an oil change, the filter change, the brake pads have plenty of life remaining. The engine coolant is filled to the proper levels in the reservoir, and the transmission fluid is topped off. It's also a good idea to have your trailer brakes, if you have them, checked and adjusted, and keep the wheel bearings greased. Make sure your hitch is right. One of the biggest safety hazards is when you don't have the right size hitch for your coupler. The #1 cause of accidents on the road when a trailer is involved is not having the correct sized hitch on your truck. Our next tip, don't get stuck on the side of the road. A while back, Nicole joined us, one of our trailer experts, for an episode of The More You Know, and we went over trailer maintenance. In that video, we discussed having spare parts. Always keep a full-size spare tire with you. Always keep extra parts for your axle as well. If you crack an oil bath cap and you don't have another one or any spare oil, you're stuck on the shoulder of the road until you get some. That axle will be damaged if you move. Always hope for the best, but always prepare for the worst. Use your safety chains. You know those silver or gold dangly things at the front of the trailer? They're kind of important. All trailers should have safety chains that hook to the hitch of your truck or SUV. One of the biggest mistakes is not using them or attaching them without crossing them. If anything was to happen and the trailer became disconnected from the tow vehicle, the cross of the chains will create a cradle and it will catch the tongue of the trailer instead of letting it dig into the pavement. Let there be lights. Another ritual that should be a part of your pre-trip inspection, well, we should really do a full video on just the pre-trip inspection, but is double checking to make sure all lights are functioning properly. Grab a worker, a neighbor, the spouse, a kid, and have them visually confirm that the running lights, brake lights, turn signals, hazard lights, all are working correctly. Now, I know we already talked about the hitch, but the next tip is choosing the right hitch. Finding the right hitch is truly important. It's making sure that the trailer rides level and key to a comfortable and safe ride. Once your trailer is safely hooked up, it's finally time to hit the open road and let that adventure begin. Stay tuned for our next video where we cover a few tips that may make actually driving with a trailer a lot easier. Till the next time, thanks for watching Quick Tips. If you enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one. Done.